Hashmap in Python. I want to implement a hashmap in Python. I want to ask a user for an input. Depending on his input, I am retrieving some information from the hashmap. If the user enters a key of the hashmap, I would like to retrieve the corresponding value. How do I implement this functionality in Python?
Python dictionary is a built-in type that supports key-value pairs. It's the nearest built-in data structure relative to Java's hashmap. You can declare a dict with key-value pairs set to values. You can also set a key-value mapping after creation. Another way to create a dictionary is with the dict built-in function, but this only works when your keys are valid identifiers.
Hash maps are built in Python. They're called dictionaries. Usage. See the documentation for more information, e.g. built-in methods, and so on. They're great, and very common in Python programs, unsurprisingly.
All you wanted at the time the question was originally asked was a hint. Here's a hint. In Python, you can use dictionaries.
It's built in for Python. See dictionaries. Based on your example. You could then access it like so. Also worth mentioning, it can use any non-mutable data type as a key. That is, it can use a tuple, boolean, or string as a key.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.